இந்த ஸ்டார் ஸ்போர்ட்ஸ் தமிழ் அப்படிங்கிற அந்த ஒரு சேனல் அந்த ப்ராடக்ட்டை பத்தி கொஞ்சம் எக்ஸ்பிளைன் பண்ணுங்க. ஏன்னா நீங்க ஆல்மோஸ்ட் ஸ்டார்டிங்ல அதுல இருந்தீங்க இல்லையா, லைக் ஹவு இட் ஃபார்ம், அந்த இனிஷியல் டேஸ், இந்த ஹவு எக்ஸைட்டிங் அண்ட் ஹவு சேலஞ்சிங் வாஸ் இட்?
Oh, it was an awesome experience actually. So aduk munadi I had done English and Hindi broadcast, of course, and Sanjog and Sandeep were already on the Tamil channel pati they were talking, and they got me on board saying this is a big thing, first regional channel ever. And at that time I must say I was very skeptical. I was like, how is it going to be received? I mean, in terms of voices, ninga paatanga, whether it was Badri or Bala or Hemang, Ramesh, I mean, we had all the cricketers, Chika, we had everybody, LS, all of them were already there. You didn't talent ku korchal, there was no want of talent. Ana and the semantics, eppadi production panna porom, yaar namba, who will be our main people who will work with us, anchors yaar irupanga, who will do all these things, eppadi namba panna porom, what will be the language, the graphics, the format, live, non-live. I think there was a lot of, we had long hours number. We used to never end up going home. We hardly slept every day for like 1 or 2 hours. We'll be back. I remember there were so many people. I mean, initial team, if I remember, of course, Sriram, Sesha, these are the guys who were there with us all the time. I think amazing boys. They've always worked very hard. Our decision to get RK on board because we wanted the face for the entire channel. That was important for us. And he'd done Neo. I'd watched him on Neo, of course. Nariya per, I mean, we also used to watch him. So, அந்த ஒரு initial phase எல்லாம் to put things in place and to have a working principle definitely took time back. And that was, I think, a great achievement because அதனால now they're able to do everything so well. Earlier it was just cricket and kabaddi we focused on. Now we are doing anything, the channel has kind of branched out and been a little more confident in terms of production and non-live as well. So I think that initially in our 2016 Champions Trophy we launched it, and it was interesting, to even get on the thought, seri number venue, we don't have venue right now, number studio la pandrom, but the people still want a feel of the venue. So I knew LS was there, so to get LS to do SimSats, all of this was like things that we had thought about. Of course, Shankar, there was another guy who was there. We both used to talk about all these things, get people on board, get someone like a Russell on, which was unthought of. When we went and we suggested this, they were like, Russell, he won't speak Tamil. And then I spoke to him, got Karthik to do that famous pitch report in the India-Sri Lanka match. It became so viral that I guess that then got a lot of people talking also about SS Tamil who were not. Huh?
Big fan of Russell's Tamil commentary.
I am the culprit. For those who don't like it or for those who love it, I am the culprit for that, guys. I'm so sorry about it, but it was actually a good move. I thought it was something interesting on a different on a face to, and obviously someone who you respected during his playing days. So I think that was
நீங்க இந்த 2017 சாம்பியன்ஸ் பத்தி சொல்லிருந்தீங்க இல்லையா, ஸ்டார் ஸ்போர்ட்ஸ் தமிழ் கவரேஜ் பத்தி. So in the pink ball test match போது we had a lot of these தமிழ் commentators வென்யூல இருந்தே இல்லையா, கொல்கத்தால போயிட்டு பண்ணிருந்தாங்க. எவ்வளவு இம்பார்ட்டன்டான ஒரு விஷயம், அதாவது கிரவுண்ட்ல இருந்து ஒரு லாங்குவேஜ், அந்த ரீஜனல் லாங்குவேஜோட கமெண்டேட்டர்ஸ் கிரவுண்ட்ல இருந்து ஒரு கவரேஜ் கொண்டு வரதுக்கும் ஒரு ஸ்டூடியோல இருந்து பேசிட்டு ஆன் ஏர் உமா கேட்கறதுக்கும் டிஃபரன்ஸ், இட்ஸ் a big difference இல்லையா? ஏன்னா நீங்க கிரவுண்ட்ல இருந்து இருக்கீங்க, உங்களால எக்ஸ்ட்ரா கொடுக்க முடியும்.
Absolutely. So firstly, actually initially so for a lot of them, for a lot of the Tamil guys, on the ground and the pandrathu was a very new experience. Not pink ball. Aduk munadi they had done a few things in the ground. Aduk munadi IPL they had done a few IPL matches pananga ground la, which is even worse than pink test because the noise, it's deafening. And the noise cancel panni producer matram to only listen to her or him was a big task. And I remember on the time there was a lot of things where they would be like, we just can't hear anything, and that new feeling. But then I think they kind of adapted very fast, because it was very thoroughly professional, and that experience. And pink ball was even bigger in terms of the magnitude of Nariya teams were there, Hindi, English, they were all there. They had gotten all of obviously Nariya sports persons were there. There was constant production, so that was a very high level production in terms of star sports across channels. So, and it takes a lot of things, Bhagwati. We talk about how it's great now that, but on the technical aspect, rumba, it gets really, really difficult. But நிறைய வாட்டி we used to, I know for the longest time, we used to, நம்ம production Bombay இருந்து பண்ணுவோம், and only the commentator and the anchors used to be there in the venue. And we had to kind of communicate with them with one line, which could drop. And the line drop ஆலாம், signal can be bad, network சரியாவே இருக்கலாம், it will not be working in the cricket match, in the ground. So, under நிறைய challenges, there are a lot of such challenges even in Tamil production if you kind of go and go from the venue. That involves a lot of technical, challenges.
Right. So, Rupa, நீங்க வந்து IPL வந்து நிறைய சீசன் நீங்க வந்து ப்ரொடியூஸ் பண்ணிருக்கீங்க, ஷோஸ் எல்லாமே சொல்றேன். ஸோ இப்போ ஒரு சிஎஸ்கே மாதிரி டீமோட டிராவல் பண்ணி ஷோஸ் ப்ரொடியூஸ் பண்ணும்போது என்ன மாதிரியான டிஃபரெண்ட் சேலஞ்சஸ் இருக்கும்? ஏன்னா டெக்னிக் ஷெடியூல், டிராவலிங் பயங்கரமா இருக்கும். சில பிளேஸ் சில டைம்லாம் இன்டர்வியூ கொடுக்க முடியும். ஸோ அவைலபிலிட்டி ஒரு ப்ராப்ளமா இருக்கும். நீங்க ஒரு ஸ்டோரி யோசிச்சிருப்பீங்க, இது பண்ணலாம் சொல்லிட்டு, பட் அந்த டைம்ல நடக்காது. ஸோ யூ ஹேவ் டு கெட் இட் டன் இன் a different way. ஸோ அதுக்கான பேக்கேஜிங் டீல் யூ ஹேவ் டு பி ஆன் த டோஸ். பிளஸ் பிளேயர் சம்டைம்ஸ் ஒரு மேட்ச்ல சரியா பெர்ஃபார்ம் பண்ணிருக்க மாட்டாங்க. நீங்க நல்ல ஸ்டோரி வச்சிருப்பீங்க அவங்கள பத்தி, பட் பேசாம போயிடுவாங்க. ஸோ இந்த அவங்க பிளேயரோட மூட் எப்படி இருக்கு, நல்லா பேசக்கூடிய ஜோன்ல இருக்காங்களா, ஸோ இது எல்லாமே டேக் இன்டு கன்சிடரேஷன் அப்படி ஒரு ஸ்டோரி அப்ரோச் பண்றதுக்கு முன்னாடி.
So few things I want to say which is important over here, Bhagwati, is one is which I wanted to mention overall also. I think for a producer, I feel for a guy it's still, I know number gender pati we've come a long way. Of course there is a lot of, I meet a lot of people who are actually who don't see guy or is it a woman or is it a man. There are so many like that, but there are also few people who think that okay, will ஒரு woman producer can she do all these things, does she know what she's talking about? I think there are a lot of people still who are like that. They cannot handle a woman in charge in some ways, I feel, especially when it comes to sports, for sure. That is one challenge I think which you face, and more so when you're traveling and you being one of the very few women or periya crew la, obviously that becomes very difficult. Second, knowing when to talk to whom. I think on the interpersonal relationship, not just with the players, with the management, with the team manager. For example, in CSK, Russell, all of these guys are very important. You cannot, I think you cannot say that, oh, captain of the team is MS, I should only have good relationship with MS, he's the only person who's important. Not at all. I think on the first thought, as soon as you enter this as a producer, you should take it out. Everyone is important. Every player, every person who's responsible in the working of a team is important. And your relationship with each of them is crucial. You never know what the situation is tomorrow. You never know what the mental state is. I mean, everything comes into play. I think I feel that. So relationships in that way is very important. And third, I think on the positivity is very important, Bhagwati, especially in IPL. It's so long. You are constantly playing players. You will lose one day, the team will lose the other day, the team. If you're also in one this state, because they want to talk to people who are positive and cheerful all the time. So that is very important. And even when you think of lining up interviews, how to know when to approach, that becomes important, because you can't just go and tell the manager, say, I want this player. You need to know, I think how much of you make the task easy for them is very important. And you can only do that when you yourself know, seri, இந்த player கிட்ட இப்போ பேசலாம், அந்த player கிட்ட அப்புறம் பேசணும், இந்த மாதிரி ஸ்டோரி பண்ணலாமே, நெட்ஸ் இந்த மாதிரி கவர் பண்ணலாமே. So everything comes into, you have to be constantly on your toes and think of always doing something new. ஏன்னா எல்லாரும் பாக்குறாங்க, சரி practice எல்லாரும் பாக்குறாங்க, everyone's covering it. What are you going to do new about it? So I think that becomes important.